Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I'm back here at Hollywood Studios once again on my day off as well, of all days, to be back at work. And then the reason a few guys were hanging out in here and I said I'd meet up with them. It's gone 5 o'clock and I've not met them yet. Mainly for the main reason that I did actually make some contacts out here. And if you know anything about me, I went to university for prop making. So I got in touch with one of the stage managers out here at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and I've been having a chat with him and actually got to go backstage and the Frozen sing-along show and take a look at how it all happens. So that's what I've been doing today, but for now I'm going to try and find the rest of the guys wherever they are. I have no idea, and then we're going to figure out what's happening this evening, because like I said, it's gone 5 o'clock and I haven't done anything apart from this meeting. Yeah. And from sitting in on the show with them, they gave me this cool tech Mickey sticker. That's so cool, I've never seen these ones before. They have literally Mickey stickers for every role at Disney World, pretty much. So while I wait on the other guys getting back to me, because I messaged them, I don't know where they are at the moment. While I wait on them getting back to me, I've got a fast pass rock and roller coaster, so I'm going to head to that now, get that done, and then try and find out where they are. Not too sure. We'll take a look. It's a 105-minute wait time right now, so definitely glad that I have a fast pass. Alright, so I found the guys, and we're heading into Celebrity Spotlight to meet Olaf.
Olivia, wait.
Hi.
Yeah, take care of that. You can sit your bags right over there for me.
So many bags.
Hi.
Go straight into the home.
Oh, that's awesome.
Got to.
Yes.
Hi.
Yay. Where are we all visiting from, you guys?
England.
I warm hug too.
Let's get driven across the pond.
Thank you.
It's a long time now, but it's fun.
It's okay. Did you want one on here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Awesome. Alright. Alright.
Right, after going to see Olaf, we come to Star Tours.
Thank you.
I haven't been on this for so long, so. I know he's going for.
Mystery Dance 4.
Right, so we just made it over Toy Story Land and we're on Slinky Dog Dash now. And I just wanted to record this because I kind of want to show you guys what you can actually see of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge when we get up there.
Oh no!
Great view of Galaxy's Edge right there. Woohoo! Ready for that view?
Did you get the shot? Oh, there it is.
Right there it is.
And that was it. That's a bit of a bumpy shot, guys.
It is a bit bumpy, but I got it. And that's what you can see of Galaxy's Edge from Slinky Dog. It's a bit fast, but you can see it quite a bit.
Bit bumpy.
Yeah. Go on, Wheezy. Go for it. Completely blanked.
Both, all three of us. That was not a magic moment right there.
So we made our way over to Tower of Terror. There was a big tour group in front of us, but they've all been split up. Luckily for us, like the rest of them are over there. So we've only got a few riding with us.
Love tour groups.
Here we go. That was a quick one. That was a really quick one. Oh no, we're going back. We're going back. There we go. And to finish off the night, I'm coming here for the show. Come in, got that good VIP seat in because of these two. They work here, by the way, they just didn't sneak in.
Oh yeah.
So I've made it back home, obviously, and that's pretty much it for today. One more thing before I do finish this vlog off though. I noticed earlier today that the G7X Mark III has been announced and it's being released at the start of August. Now, I've been using my Canon G7X Mark II just because it's compact and easy. I know I have my DSLRs to go vlogging, but it's too big to take around anywhere, so this is perfect. The G7X Mark III, if you know anything about it, it shoots in 4K, it has a microphone input, which is great, and you're able to live stream straight from the camera itself. The only problem being, it's $750, and it's not out for like another 3 weeks. So I'm gonna have to think about it, but I kinda want it. Decisions and money. Okay, yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. But thank you guys for watching, hope you've enjoyed today. If you have, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow.